Samsung and LG, the dynamic duo from Korea, have been given the thumbs up to start cranking out those high-quality LTPO screens for the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. Yep, Apple's trusty screen squad is at it again. And BOE, the Chinese display maker, is sitting this one out. They have their hands full with base models. Now, while Samsung's got the muscle to handle OLED production for all iPhone 16 models, LG is focusing its efforts on the fancy Pro versions. Meanwhile, BOE will be cooking up LTPS displays for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. Oh, and about the iPhone 16 Pro Max OLED, still waiting on that green light. Rumor has it, Apple's taking its sweet time approving the iPhone 16 Pro Max screens because they're rolling out some slick new tech, the border reduction structure. Think slimmer bezels, folks. It's a tall order, even for the seasoned pros at Samsung and LG, but you know they're up for the challenge. However, it's not expected to be a long wait. Samsung is expected to receive approval later this week, while LG is likely to pass quality controls by mid-June. Despite the challenges, Samsung's powerhouse status means they're likely to grab the biggest slice of the OLED pie. But don't count LG out. They're in this race to snag as many orders as possible. This friendly rivalry is actually a win-win for Apple, giving them more leverage over pricing. And hey, competition is always good for us, the consumers. So, stay tuned as we watch these tech titans gear up to bring us the next generation of iPhone displays. Catch you in the next video.